Unfortunately, if you own a Hyundai, you've heard of the recent recalls, reaching over 1 million vehicles, and it doesn't even stop there. Well, there may be some good news for some, but this could be resulting in engine damage. Or they claim to help. You decide. I've heard a lot of different rumors, but we're going to find out. And as you can see here, Hyundai has a program for reimbursing owners who paid to have the service condition remedied prior to receiving this notification letter. To obtain information about the reimbursement, well, you'll receive one of these in the mail on how to do that. But first off, let's look at the issues. As you can see, the engine block on the screen, this is where the problem occurs. The crankshaft, the bearings, this is the block. So Hyundai is conducting a service campaign to enhance the knock sensor software to detect abnormal engine bearing noise before potentially severe engine damage occurs on certain 2014 to 2016 Elantras, 2014 Elantra Coupe, 2014 to 2019 Elantra GT, 2010 to 2012 Santa Fe, 2011 to 2018, Sonata Hybrid, 2016-2018, Sonata Plug-in Hybrid, 2010-2018, Tucson, and 2012 to 2017 Veloster vehicles. So you may be asking, what is the purpose of this service campaign? If abnormal engine bearing noise is detected, the malfunction indicator lamp or MIL will blink continuously, and the vehicle will be placed in engine protection mode, allowing the customer to drive to the nearest Hyundai dealer for diagnosis and repair. In addition, DTC P132600 will be recorded in the ECM. The vehicle can continue to be operated for a limited time in engine protection mode, but it will accelerate slower and have a reduced maximum speed. Engine RPM will be limited to approximately 1,800 to 2,000 RPMs. What will Hyundai do? Your Hyundai dealer will perform a software update of the electronic control module ECM to improve the knock sensor detection system. This procedure will be performed at no charge to you. What should you do? Contact your nearest Hyundai dealer to schedule this procedure. Now, don't get this confused. There are actually some other vehicles with a similar campaign. Now, what is the product improvement campaign? Hyundai has recently developed a new engine monitoring technology called a knock sensor detection system as an added layer of protection from engine damage. The technology uses software innovations and leverages existing engine sensors to continuously monitor for symptoms that may precede an engine failure. Now, the software update is being performed by Hyundai dealers free of charge to customers as part of a product improvement campaign. So I'm sure you've got a lot of the backlash or seen it about Hyundai, all the recalls, the quality concerns, and if you go back a few years ago, they recalled a mass amount of engines for damages. Now, unfortunately, it doesn't seem like they're going down a good road with this one. I'm not sure what's going on with the quality issues. Now, what vehicles are covered by this product improvement campaign? It would seem for the 2011 to 2014 Sonatas and 2013-2014 Santa Fe Sports Only was the difference between the previous engine recalls and this product improvement campaign. Wow. Guys, if you want to find out more about this information, all you have to do is go to autoservice.hyundaiusa.com, and that'll give you a little bit more info on what I was just speaking to you about. There has been a lot of quality concerns, so this seems to be going on with a lot of companies, but Hyundai's probably having it the worst as of now. You may want to keep that in mind next time you purchase a vehicle. So far, myself, it seemed like I've avoided all of them. Now it comes down to this, and some people speculate that this is their way of trying to get out of further costs down the road. And There's also speculation about warranty coverage, but this would help warranty coverage. I'm not so sure about all that. You'll have to look into those details. I'm having trouble finding information on it. As always, guys, I want to thank you for watching Nate's Interactive Auto, and please help out the NIA community. Drop down, give us all the information that you've gained on this. We'd really appreciate it. It helped me out personally. Thanks for watching Nate's Interactive Auto.